Hello, this is Roji and I am here to tell you about computer hardware. So firstly we will discuss what is hardware. Hardware refers to those parts of a computer system that we can touch and feel. Hardware is manufactured in factories and then loaded with software. Now what is the component of computer hardware? There are two types of hardware which we are using in our computer system, that is internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware, firstly we will discuss that refer to the physical parts that are inside the computer system. These parts cannot be seen till we open the CPU box. And there are 4 to 5 internal hardware which we are going to discuss here. The first one is your CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. CPU receives the data and instruction from the input device, process it and passes the result on to the output device. CPU consists of various parts. Three basic parts are there. First one is your ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. It performs all the arithmetic calculation and compare different kind of numbers. Second one is your CU, that is control unit, and it manages the flow of information between different parts of a computer system. And the last one is your memory unit or registers, MU. It stores all the data that is to be processed, and computer memory can be classified in two parts, primary and secondary memory. Now the second part is your motherboard. Motherboard is housed also inside the CPU cabinet, and it contains the component that handle the flow of information inside a computer system. Now the next one is your SMPS. The SMPS stands for switching mode power supply, and the function of SMPS is to convert AC or DC supply into an appropriate electric range DC acceptable by the computer. Now the next one is your modem. Modem, that is stand for modulator demodulator. It is a component that converts digital signals into analog signals and vice versa. And there are two types of modem which we are using. That one is your internal modems and external modem. The next hardware is your ports. Port allow other devices to connect to the computer via a slot on the motherboard. Some example of port or different types of ports that are commonly used, like your serial port, parallel port, USB port, HDMI port, Ethernet port, and different kind of sockets that are used to connect external audio and audio devices to the computer. That after that, power connector, PS2 port, VGA port are also available there. Now the next one is your external hardware devices. There are two categories of external hardware. First one is your input device and the second one is your output device. So firstly we will discuss about input device. There are three input device we are going to discuss. That first one is your keyboard. It consists of several keys which include different kind of letters, numbers, functions and navigation. A particular keyboard normally referred to as a QWERTY keyboard because its first 6 letters on the keyboard denote this name. The second one is your mouse. Mouse that is used to move skillfully or carefully across the screen. A mouse has two buttons, left button and right button, and mouse can be connected to the computer via a Bluetooth or a wire. And mouse can be of both types, that can be optical and mechanical. In optical mouse, we use light to track movement of the cursor, and in mechanical mouse use a ball to track the movement of the cursor. Now the third one is your microphone. Sound inputs can be given to a computer system using a mouse, and most of computers in nowadays having a built-in microphone, and microphone can also be connected via headphones. Now the next one is your output devices. So firstly we will discuss about monitor. Monitor, as we also known as like visual display unit or VDU. It comes in various screen sizes and different kind of technologies are used in different kind of monitor, and it is almost hard to work on a computer system without a monitor. There are three categories or three types of monitor discussed here. First one is your CRT monitor. CRT, that is stand for cathode ray tube, and these kind of monitors was popular till early 2000. Second one is your LCD, that stand for liquid crystal display. They have liquid crystal inside them which change color when light falls on them. These kind of monitors are also refers to as TFT, like that is your thin film transistors, and these kind of monitors are widely used in school labs nowadays. Now the next one is your LED. light emitting diode. They are made up of several special material that glow when light passes through them. And LED monitors are also lightweight, and nowadays smart TVs, which are become increasingly popular, use LED technology. Now the next one is your speakers. Speakers like your like output device, which is used to produce an output, audio output. Speakers come in all sizes, shapes, and right. You can the size of the speaker can be as small as that fit in a ear, and the large that is used in concerts and different kind of stadiums. There are two ways by which speakers we can connect speakers to the computer: wires or without wires. Yeah, wireless. The third one is your printer. Printer is a device that print a document, image, or presentation on paper. Printer is also can be of different types. There are three types of printer discussed here. First one is your dot matrix printer. This is the oldest type of printer. Second, inkjet printer. In inkjet printer, the picture quality of print, or the resolution of the print, that is far better than the dot matrix printer. And the last one is your laser printer. Laser printer are the most advanced and produce the highest quality output, and they also print much faster than inkjet printer. Now the next one is your computer memory. There are two types of memory available in computer system. The first one is your primary, and second one is your secondary. So firstly we will discuss about primary memory. Primary memory, that is accessed by the CPU. It is also called the internal memory or the main memory of a computer. And there are also the two types of primary memory. The first one is your RAM, second one is your ROM. RAM, that is random access memory. It stores information temporarily. Data saved in RAM can be modified and updated easily, and accessing data from RAM is very quick process. ROM, that is read only memory. It stores information permanently. Data can't be modified, and accessing data from ROM is comparatively slow. Now the next one is your secondary memory. That refers to the permanent storage device of a computer system. It is also known as auxiliary storage, external memory, or flash memory. Secondary memory is non-volatile, means data doesn't get deleted even when the device is powered on. The data will be saved permanently till the user delete that particular data. Examples of secondary storage like your CDs, hard disk drive, USB drive, solid state drive, all these. Thank you. Have a nice day.